Welcome to this technical guide on the Thermomix TM21. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Thermomix TM21 is leaking from the bottom while cooking, it could be due to a faulty solenoid, clutch, or blade. This issue typically arises when seals degrade or components wear out over time. If left unaddressed, it can lead to more significant damage and costly repairs, so it's crucial to act quickly. For this repair, you will need a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, replacement seals or components, and a soft cloth for cleaning. First, ensure your Thermomix is unplugged. Carefully turn it upside down on a soft surface to prevent any scratches. Using the flathead screwdriver, gently pry open the base cover, taking care not to damage the plastic clips. Once the cover is off, locate the solenoid and clutch assembly, which is typically situated at the center of the base. These components can be identified by their connection to the motor and the visible leaks around them. To remove the faulty solenoid, use the Phillips screwdriver to unscrew it from its mount. Remember to keep track of the screws, as they can be quite small. You might also need to disconnect a couple of wires, so take a photo beforehand to ensure you can reconnect them correctly. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once the solenoid is removed, replace it with the new one, ensuring it's properly seated in place. Reconnect any cables you disconnected earlier, being careful not to pinch them. Next, secure the solenoid with the screws, applying just enough force to keep it snug without over-tightening. Now, clean any spills or residue inside the base with your soft cloth before reattaching the base cover. Align the clips and press down firmly until you hear them click back into place. Finally, turn your Thermomix upright, plug it in, and run a quick test to ensure there are no leaks. If everything is working as it should, congratulations on your successful repair. To prevent this issue from occurring again, regularly check the seals and components for wear and tear. It's also wise to clean the device thoroughly after each use to avoid any buildup that could lead to leaks. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.